Toyota door lock actuators. They break. Looks like someone's already been in here changing one before. And I got the door lock actuator out of there. Thanks to the previous repair, it was easy to open up and get in there. And we got some tools laying around. Some Hart, some DeWalt, a little bit of everything. And a new door lock actuator, the old door lock actuator, and that door panel. Making progress. There it is, set up, ready to go back in. Stuffed back in the door behind that window channel. Freshly repaired with some packing tape. Door panel about to go back on, and for the finishing touch, the sound we all want to hear. Click clack.
And fixed.